In this short video, it'll show you create a cinematic Photoshop color grading. Follow these steps for a quick cinematic color grade. Duplicate your image layer, Ctrl-J and go to Filter. Convert for smart filters. Open, go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, Color Grade panel, navigate to the color grading, 3 circles icon, Highlights. Drag the center dot in the highlights wheel away from the center. For intensity, set the color to a warm tone, yellow-orange. Adjust the luminance slider beneath it for brightness. Shadows. Drag the center dot in the shadows wheel away from the center. Set the color to a cool tone blue cyan green. Adjust the luminance to control shadow depth. Midtones optional, set a color or leave it neutral. Finalize. Go to the light panel sun icon and increase contrast and decrease whites for Polish. Texture optional. Go to the effect panel and increase texture slightly. Finish. Click OK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.